Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Paulio Jr. And today I wanted to talk about the tire learning active feature on basically any Chevy from 2004 to 2020. Now, it may be different on how you would get to this option on your dashboard, but either way, this is a 2007 Chevy Equinox. Now, you see there's an option. You see the car and then the I right after it, and I'm going to hit that, and when I hit that I go over to here where everything is, and feature settings, select, I hit it again, oil life, units. So I noticed that I didn't have, my PSI wasn't showing up for any of my tires, left front, left rear, all that good stuff, nothing. So what I have to do in order to fix this, and you usually do this because this helps relearn the tire positions of the vehicle, and you definitely should do this after rotating tires or after replacing a tire or sensor. So, and from here, it's very simple. You find the tire locations, and then you would press check to learn. I'm just going through it one more time. Tire, okay. Features, tire locations. All right. And before this, sometimes it might say this or tire learning active. So let's hit this, and then we should hit, there we go. So then it says tire learning active, and the beep chirps twice. And what it does is it goes to each tire. So it'll do this tire, it'll do one of the tires first, and then that option will come up again. You hit the check again until you go through the sequence 4 times. I'm going to cancel out of it, but after that you would see your PSI, which we didn't fully do it, but you would see all of your PSI. It would show all of them pretty accurately as long as your sensor's okay. But yeah, that's about it. So however you have to get to it on your dashboard, look for the tire location section first, and then go to, once it does that, it'll go to, tire learning active. It's a very simple process. We're on the Chevy Equinox. It's literally just that car in the I symbol and then the check mark. That's all I really need to use in order to see the PSI on each of the tires. So, but yeah, once again, it's just find the tire locations, press the check mark to learn. Typically, I think because I did it too many times. And then, like I said, it'll beep twice, and after that, you just do it 4 times to show on each tire, and then that's it. And then you'll see the PSI on each tire. So I hope this helped. This is for basically any Chevrolet, any Chevy from 2004 to 2020 right now. So it'll probably go beyond that. So just a quick little video for anyone who has a Chevy. So you want to see the accurate PSI on all your tires. It's a very, very helpful feature. So but that's about it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Later.